In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Obsidian notes to Word using Pandoc. Start by opening your browser and going to pandoc.org/installing.html. This is the Pandoc installation page. Once the page loads, click the link that says Download the latest installer. That opens the GitHub releases page for Pandoc. On that page, look for the section labeled Assets. Under Assets, click the installer file that matches your operating system. If you are on Windows, click the MSI installer. If you are on a Mac, click the PKG installer. Wait for the download to finish, then open the file you just downloaded. Run the installer and follow the setup prompts on your screen. On Windows, click Next, then Install, and then Finish. On a Mac, go through the standard installer flow until the installation completes. Once that is done, Pandoc is installed and added to your system path, so Obsidian will be able to detect it automatically when the export plugin is installed. Now open Obsidian and go to your sample note. In the left sidebar, click the note named Project Alpha, Kickoff Notes. After you open it, the note should appear in the editor. You should be able to see the formatted content, including headings, a table, and a block quote. Next, install the Enhancing Export Community plugin. Click the gear icon in the bottom left corner to open Settings. In the Settings window, look at the left sidebar and click Community Plugins. If Community Plugins are currently turned off, click Turn on Community Plugins. Then confirm when Obsidian asks you to proceed. After that, click Browse to open the Community Plugin directory. At the top, click into the search box and type Enhancing Export. Say it as you enter it, Enhancing, then a space, then Export. Wait a moment for the search results to update. In the results list, click Enhancing Export by YISH, then click Install. When the installation finishes, click Enable. Now close the Settings window. You can do that by clicking the X in the top right corner, or by pressing Escape on your keyboard. With the sample note still open, move to the Note toolbar in the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. In the drop-down menu that appears, click Export to. This opens the export dialog for the current note. At the top of the export dialog, find the Format drop-down and open it. From the list of available formats, select Word, then Docx. This tells the plugin to export the note as a Microsoft Word document. Next, choose where you want to save the file. If the save location and file name already look fine, you can leave the defaults as they are. If the dialog allows you to set the file name, click into the Name field and enter the name you want to use for the exported document. Then select a folder where you want the file to be saved. Once the location and name are set, click Export. After a moment, a success notification appears confirming that the file was exported correctly. Now verify the exported Word document. Open File Explorer on Windows or Finder on a Mac, and go to the folder where you saved the exported file. In that location, find the Word document you just created, and open the Docs file in Microsoft Word or another Word-compatible application. When the document opens, you should see the note content with its formatting preserved. The headings appear as Word heading levels. Bold and italic formatting carries over into the document. The table remains intact. The block quote appears as indented text. At this point, the document is ready to edit, share, or print. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. And that is the full process for exporting Obsidian notes to Word using Pandoc, with the modern setup inside Obsidian and the Enhancing Export plugin completing the conversion.